Chart analysis made simple. Guys, in this video, I want to show you what it is to actually conduct analysis on the charts, known as technicals, how to read it in a very simple form, and then we're going to speak about some ways of which you can improve on conducting your chart or technical analysis. So let's just switch over to the screen here. Okay, now in this example, I'm using euro dollar. Euro dollar is the most liquid currency pair of them all, okay? The most traded. Now, what I first want to show you is, look, the way in which the price moves is influenced by, technical analysis. There's what's known as support and resistance level. So I want to start off by firstly showing you what a support level is, okay? So let's just mark up here because we can see where the price has bounced, right? It was falling, price was falling, and then it found like a cushion, what's known as support. So pick back up and continued the direction it was in, which was obviously to the upside. Now, you can see support here, there's this level 120.67. Now, one really good thing, way of validating, significant areas of support and resistance is looking left of the chart. So what happened previously? Look at that, not coincidental. So previously, this level where we found support here is acted as resistance. You see here, right? Resistance. And even there, look, resistance. So we know this is a significant level. This is not just coincidence. This is a significant level. So if we had marked this up previously as resistance here, we know, okay, if we're going to break above that, this should, not always, but a lot of the time, come back and what's known as retest it. And then we're not using it as resistance anymore. We're now using this as support because we've broken above. So we're now going to cushion that, and the buyers are going to be like, okay, we're encouraged. We've broken above this significant level. We've seen before it's acted as resistance. We're now above. We've touched that, and we're going to use that as support and push to the upside. So you can see that as a nice example there. Let's get an area of resistance, okay? So looking left here, more resistance. Okay, look, we can see back here in January 2018, resistance, really struggled to break above that actually. Let's look left here. Again, look at where the price is today. As we record this, we found resistance at around this sort of 122.90 area. So again, not coincidence, but finding those significant areas that have acted as both support and resistance. Those are your real key ones, okay? And being able to trade those. And as I said, what we'd want to see, as we saw here, break above, retest, and then extend to the upside. Now, perhaps we can see that again here, break above, retest, and then extend to the upside. I want to show you one last, another bit of simple work of technical analysis is drawing trend lines, okay? Those are support and resistance, but let's draw a trend line, okay? Let's get an example here where the price was consolidating, where it just was moving within a tight range, subject to breaking out and continuing its direction. So here, one trend line. And how do we validate these trend lines? We want to see like at least 3 taps of it. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's definitely a trend line of resistance here in this case. Now let's draw a lower acting trend line as well. Lovely, look, 1, 2, 3. We've had multiple taps, so we can confirm this is a lower acting trend line of support. So we've got resistance up here and we've got support here. And this is what can also be known as a channel or a flag structure. Why a flag? Because here's all of our pole and here's all of our flag. And what we've gone and done is we've broken out and retested. Okay, see how that was resistance? We've broken out, retested, now it's support, yes! And we should push to the upside, and as you can see there. Now, how do we get good or better at our chart analysis? As I've sort of shown you in these examples, guys, a lot of what we're seeing now in the charts is not new, it's happened before. So we look left of the charts. Look at that data, data is king. History repeats itself in these markets, so it's really key. That's one way you're gonna get better. So build some rules around why you're gonna trade and how you're gonna trade. And then what's known as back test your strategy. Go back, and try and do loads of trade examples of trades that you would have taken with your rules, just using that data that's all there in the past by just looking left of that chart. So I hope that helps you how to in its simplest form, analyze a chart technically, how to improve on that. Thank you very much. This video is brought to you by Skrill, an online wallet that allows traders to make their money move. Go to skrill.com to learn more and subscribe to the Skrill YouTube channel to see when they post more educational content like this.